I'm heading out camping, a little bit of a cheeky midweek overnighter. I've done the drawer and I haven't tested it out properly. I made a cup of tea, but that's not, I want to go out and cook some dinner, sort of beta test the drawer that I made, see if, like, because I didn't design the drawer and then build it. I built it and then I designed it, and I kind of like, it's already had a few additions to it since I first built it. Originally, I'll explain when I get there, I'll show you. But yeah, I guess first step is find a campsite for the night. I'm just driving about maybe an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half from home. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to make it to camp while there's still daylight. Campsite shouldn't be... Oh wait, which way? Not up there. So got a little bit of light left, and I'm just a few Ks from the campsite, so that's good. It's good. Just in time. I like to arrive when it's light so I can see where stuff is. The campsite we're heading to is called Anderson's Mill. I haven't been here before. It's out near Marysville, and we're coming right up on it. I believe it's just off to our right in a moment. I hope there's not too many people there. It's a Monday night? Is it a Monday night? It's a Monday night. Surely there can't be too many people here. Burgers. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've forgotten how to make a burger. the next day. Kind of a nice spot. You can hear those things. It's kind of nice. I don't know what those things are. Coffee. Did my dishes last night. So it started off as just 2 compartments, and then I realized I might want some bench space, so I put this on here. And also I realized that this was too deep for the cooker to sit in, and also a waste of storage space, so I put a thing on top. Cut out a piece of wood that I just put on top, and that is held on with magnetic things. Whether that's actually necessary or not, I don't know, but it's kind of cool. It clicks into place, it's satisfying. This is on a piano hinge. Not sure if you can see it under there. And then I just dumped literally everything in here, so I've got to organise this section a lot better. What I learnt last night was cutting onion here. I had one piece of onion fall into there. That's it, cheeky little overnighter done. It's amazing how quickly you can get packed up. It still blows me away. Like when I don't have the awning out on the side, it's just a matter of make a cup of coffee and drive away. It's 8:30 in the morning. My camera keeps stopping, so I gotta go. I don't know why it keeps stopping, but I'll be back at work by my first meeting at 10:30. That's what I'm trying to say.